Welcome to South Africa in the wild jungles. No, guys, lions is not roaring around us. We have neighborhoods with streets and police. Um, but I'm here today with in the west of Johannesburg with Marco, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about Marco. Marco does these. Feedback sessions and broadcasts and forecasts for all kinds of sports. And since Marco was born, he has been passionate about sports. Where does that come from?
It comes from a young age. I liked sport from a young age. I liked rugby. I always wanted to be a Springbok. Yeah, and I loved cricket. I wanted to be a Protea and a Springbok at the same time. So yeah,
Which is a big thing,
yeah,
thing here in South Africa.
yeah,
As a 10-year-old, I can remember
yeah,
Marco knowing every player, their stats, when they're gonna, how many sixes they did,
yeah,
how many tries they've scored, every single player, their names in every rugby team imaginable, and so he's really passionate about it. So, Marcus, good luck with this channel that you're having.
oh,
I'm
thank
proud
you.
of you. I think it's wonderful that he puts his passion out there. Support him. Enige laaste woorde, Marco?
Just like and subscribe if you do like my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.
Cheerio!
Thank you.